So now the city of San Diego is getting sued because of the double standard that they have of selectively releasing body cam footage, the cherry picking that I was just talking about the other day. To review, the law requires the disclosure of body cam footage every time there's great bodily injury or the discharge of a firearm by the police. Does the San Diego Police Department follow this law? No. As civil rights advocates like me and community members who have been hurt know, they don't follow the law, at least not all the time. Not when they know the video is going to make them look bad or subject them to liability, which is to say, to hold them accountable for the harm that they wrongly caused. Instead, they cherry pick. If they like the way that it looks, they turn over the video. They're all about transparency. If they don't, then they stonewall, and now they're getting sued for it. David Loy from the First Amendment Coalition, a free speech hero of mine, brought a lawsuit to release the body cam footage in a case called Evans versus City of San Diego. Now, in that case, Mr. Evans, an unarmed black man, comes outside of his home with his arms in the air, and police promptly shoot him with rubber bullets, tearing off parts of his flesh, according to the complaint that was filed. At the same time, they released a police dog, which latches onto his body and causes further horrific damage. Say what you want about the merits of that case, but any way you cut it, those injuries are great bodily injury within the meaning of a statute that requires that you release body cam footage. The police department will do that, and they did do that. For example, in this Ocean Beach case where the guy is armed with a knife and they say he's trying to commit suicide by cop. So they released that promptly within a month of the incident. But in this case, where they turn a dog loose against an African-American gentleman and it tears his flesh apart and they shoot him with rubber bullets even though his hands are in the air, they're not releasing that body cam footage. The First Amendment Coalition has to sue them in court to get justice and to get them to comply with the law. And this is exactly the kind of double standard and the sort of cherry picking that I was just talking about earlier, and now here we are in court this week.